Okay, we're having issues with this maker here. See, we got full thing of water.
Empty this.
Oh, we're having fish. This is what we're getting. Okay. Okay, we're putting the pot in, pushing it down. You push the 14 ounces, see? And then all we have to do is push that button that my sister just pushed. And this is what's happening. We're getting a little bit, you hear all that noise? It sounds like something's rattling in there, which is not normal. See?
It's fine.
So far now it's reduced to a drip, and then we get this again. So this machine is not working. What's this machine called? Oh, this is the Hamilton Beach, and it's supposed to be like a 2-in-1. You got your Keurig, you got your pot, and it stopped working. I am so unhappy with this. Now it's, the water is steaming. See? Oh no, you can't see it on the air. Kinda. See? Nothing's working. It stopped working. Going to be seeking advice from the Amazon here quickly. See what they're going to say. Because I've only had this unit for
Few days. This is only about the. You see, I just opened this up. It's about 6 cups. That's all it's been used for the Keurig.
So we've had this for about 1 week, and we've used the Keurig about 4 times, and that's it. Now it doesn't work. So let's figure out what's going on here.
if you are looking for like the perfect all-in-one coffee machine, the Hamlin Beach FlexBrew is your way to go. So over here is like your normal coffee machine. You got your 12 cup, and it runs just how like a normal coffee machine is gonna run. You have your little spout here, and then the water goes in back here. And then you can set the time. You can delay brew. So like if you, it says AM, it is PM, but our power went out. You can delay brew. So like if you want to make your coffee at 6 a.m., it will brew it for you. You have your choice between your pot, and then you have your single, and that is over here. So basically it's just like a K-cup. And the nice thing about this is that this comes out and you can use any sort of K-cups. And then my other favorite thing about this is it comes with like a reusable one, so you can just fill this with your coffee grounds. Like I have like all my coffee grounds up here, and I can just scoop and fill that, and they both just fit easily in there. And then it has a water reservoir. Mine is 56. And then if
this is the FlexBrew. As you can see, I brewed a pot of coffee on the Carafe side and the Flex side. We have the K-cup option in there. There is also one of these that opens up, if I can actually get it. There we go. You use this, which comes with a little filter in there and everything, to brew single cups of grounds. Only issue is that your standard coffee cup from Starbucks doesn't fit. See? But that is your standard size. Everything else so far fits under there. I love this thing. This is awesome. It is definitely a very good purchase. In which case I would highly suggest getting one.
Doesn't stay open. But that's the least of the problem. Overall, it's clean. It came clean. It looked brand new, outside of the fact that I could see that there had been some water in this part here because there was some like watermarks. But anyways, I mean, there's really nothing about it, you know. Gotta remove that one. But I did mark like this, because when you're filling it, that way you can see it here, and you do not want to overfill. Overfill will cause a mess.
So we can see that the carafe is stopped brewing, but instead of saying hold warm, it still says brewing. But if you look down on it, you can see there's a keep warm option that never lights up. There. So that's kind of strange.
Ah. Okay. Bah.
Or a single.
Super weak. It's wet all right there. And there's like moisture